All right, welcome back. We're going to draw a tiger today. It's going to look a little bit like this. All right, we're going to start with a circle. For the head. We're going to do little semicircle, half circles for the ears. 1, 2. This is very similar to a lot of the other animals we've drawn in the past. I'm going to draw another semicircle inside this ear. Just to show the inside of the ear. Now I'm going to go right down to the feet. I'm going to draw the feet first. The little paws that were sticking up. So I want them to be kind of diagonal. So I'm going to start right about here. And then I'm going to draw the foot, the paw that's facing out. And I want it to kind of tilt in like that. I'm going to draw the same thing on this side. So I'm just going over, and I'm doing the same exact thing over here. Just going to come down like that. Now, from here to the foot, I'm going to draw an arc to finish off the body. An arc. I'm going to draw an arc here too, but watch, it goes like this instead. It's kind of like a sideways smiley face. And we'll do another one on this side. Like that. And these are going to turn into his 2 front legs. When I go like this and I draw 1, 2, 3, I'll do 4. 4 little fingers. 1, 2, 3. Couldn't fit quite 4 there. And then a tail. And that's really just drawing an S. See how that looks like an S, the letter S. And then I pick it up here, and I just go like that. Now I have all the outlines of my body. Now I just need to fill in all the details. I'm going to draw a rainbow arc right here. And then I'm going to do like a rounded triangle. See how I rounded that to make a nose? And then I'm going to come down like this and down like that. Let's do some oval eyes. 1, 2. I'm going to do it like this. But you do your eyes however you want. Draw the inside of the paws. I do another oval, and then I do the toes, another oval, 1, 2, 3, and then all I have to do is add the stripes to make it a tiger. So I'm going to do some triangles. See how they kind of come to a point And you can vary, you can change up the length that you are doing these. Do some that come in from the side. See how they're just coming into a point. And just like kind of like a zigzag line. And do some here. Again, you can do these anywhere you want. They do not have to be in the same place that I am doing them. Do them however you want, wherever you want. You can even make them more stripy. And then you can color them in if you want to. You can color them in black. Or you can leave them alone and color them in. Maybe you want to color them purple instead. However you want to color them. But that's our tiger for today. Our little tiger cub. I hope you enjoyed it.